transfer the manifold, intake manifold to the throttle body. Before there was a big ass spacer on it. We got that fixed. Got the part in, just waiting on the thermostat. Rocking the Crocs. No, everybody hates on Crocs, but when I'm working on cars, I fuck with the Crocs. Alright, y'all, I got knock sensor. It's a Duralast from AutoZone. I've heard bad things about them, but hopefully it works. If it doesn't, maybe I can get my Honda fixed and turn it off. Turn off the knock sensor. We got the thermostat. So my car, it isn't overheating, but in the winter it doesn't heat up. So I think that the thermostat just stays open all the time, and hopefully that's the issue and that fixes that. Won't know till it's cold outside. And then this is the old filter I had. It makes a little swoosh noise, which is cool and all. I don't know, it just look old as fuck. So I went to AutoZone and bought a filter for like $50. This big ass blue thing, blue comb, and put it there. I don't even know what brand this is. Made in Japan, JDM boys. This is temporary. I just want it to run right and maybe get the Honda fixed before I do anything. Got the throttle body here. I already took everything apart. This intake manifold is off. I should have got a new intake manifold gasket, but I didn't. RBB. I would want an RBC. I don't know. It's a K24. Maybe run different. I'm about to work on this. Thermostat, it's already off. Already took it off. Put the new one in. And then knock sensor goes in there as well. Alright, y'all, so I took off the idle air control valve, and there's like this little thing that spins in here, which you can clean if you take this off, but this isn't even a Torx. It has 5 entries and the Torx is 6. So I'm gonna just try to clean it from here and part of the throttle body. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Alright, finished up cleaning the idle air control valve. See a little shaft in there. This one. Yeah. Hopefully. Alright, I just got this adapter for the RBB manifold to the RSX throttle body. We got a new gasket. Fuck it, how to use the iPhone camera. Got a whole bunch of shit here. Clean it. But we got all the sensors connected, vacuum hoses, and a new air filter. Damn good to start it up. Put some coolant. First start up. Go get the key real quick. Alright, nothing special. Oh, stereo, you know, race car. Idle is so important. Right where we need it to be. The car still's not fully at the temp. I think it should be getting there soon. Alright guys, besides it running better, I did not hear the radiator fan come on, so I'm gonna go on a quick test drive to make sure it doesn't overheat.